Hi, today I'm in Bakkum again, but on the other side I walked earlier, way back, and I wanted to explore that part. So it's around about 7 or 8 kilometers, and it will take me normally 2 hours. So, but it's the forecast is rainy and also a little bit of lightning. So I want to be sure that I'm back at the car then, because I don't walk to the forest with lightning. So I got my Garmin with me, and of course my good friend the Canon. So let me see. Yeah, still correct. So yeah, I'm excited to walk again in the forest. So yeah, I hope to find some wildlife to photograph and to make nice photos, um, and make lots of nice images for you. Okay, see you later. Okay, that was cool. Um, yeah. Um, a few months or a month back, I went on a search for bird of prey, and now I got one. I think it's a harrier. So he was searching for prey in the open field. So I hope as always, I hope the images are coming out fine. And but you see that he's trying to get prey. Very nice. I also make photos of it. So yeah, I hope it's a good image. So yeah, that's a goal I can now. That's very bad English, sorry. Um, it's a goal I achieved right now, so that's good. And now, yeah, maybe a buzzard would be nice, but yeah, this was also already very nice. Okay, walking along. Listen to all that bird song. They are busy, but yeah, it's May. Nice, huh? Okay, just turn back to the camera, please. In Dutch, it's called vink. I will translate it to English. He's making a lot of noise, but nice noise. Uh-oh, I have to hurry. Dark clouds are setting in, so I have to step it up. Trying to follow this bird, and I put in the title what it is, but it's going everywhere and fast. the dark clouds, and it's coming towards me. So this is an open area, so it's better if I go to forest area. So yeah. Because of my camera, I'm always worrying about my camera because it is expensive one. So much fun. These are in Dutch it's zwaluw. And where are they? If I walk, I'm walking along with them, so it's very funny. But yeah, sometimes you see them, sometimes you don't. I'm gonna put my rain cover on, so it's gonna sound a bit crispy when I'm filming. So sorry. So in the distance I see a little bit of lighter sky, sorry. So I hope, yeah, it's not completely heavy rain. So yeah, it's an open area, and we're near the beach, and weather like this can turn easily from minute to minute. So yeah, I hope it will turn out fine. Oh, nice baby goose. So I have nice images of swans already, so I will let them be, and well, maybe I'll make footage for you for the babies. Okay. Okay, I had to do it. Just my stamp. Filming funny trees. And this is a dead one. But it's looking nice. So I think we are halfway now. So this area surprises me. I thought it would be a little bit dull or something. It's the opposite of dull. So very nice area. A lot of birds, a lot of nice things to see. So yeah, just hiking along. Very nice, very nice. What's this? Maybe it's a bird watch. Should we take a closer look? Boeltje van onze Kees. Ah, funny. And a bird watch it is. It smells like wheat. And I saw a man on a bicycle leaving, so but it can also be the woods, but I don't think so. Over there's a bird of prey. I hope it's coming back. I don't think so. Ah, too bad. I think that was a buzzard. Oh, yeah. You can hear him. Of course, now not. I'm waiting for a little while. I saw something in the distance, but I don't think he's coming back. I can't hear him now, so he's left the area. Too bad. High in the sky. That's there are two, and I guess they're Harriers. They're too small for buzzard, so and they're. I tried to zoom in. Back. Oh, a little bit higher. Behind that tree. Ah, there it is. Oh, come close, please. No. Yeah, because it's too far away, my camera can't pick it up. No, not yet. Why? Ah, there it is again. Come closer. Okay, I guess that's a buzzard. It's his wing spread. He's too large for a harrier. This is completely zoomed in, so now I'm getting it out of focus. So yeah, I will let you see. And if it's still that big, that must be a buzzard. But it's behind the trees now, so I'll walk further. If you notice something different, I put my telelens on. So that's the difference. Exmoor Ponies. And I know this herd because I saw them in the past. So that's nice. They're at ease, laying, sleeping. So nice. Very nice. Listen to the frogs. It's such a nice sound. I remember when I did Dune and Berg hike. It was the first hike I did in Bakkum. I stood over there. think? Funny. Rangers. They never ask my card. I pay for nothing. Haha. So I'm almost back where I started. Such a nice hike. I didn't. Well, yeah, it's also a nice area. So, but yeah, I loved it. And the weather, well, it was a bit rainy, but not at all as the forecast. So the sun came out, so I'm happy. So if you like this content, please subscribe and like this video or comment. It helps a lot. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.